na. Hindi guys, joke lang. Thank you, Venom Pogi. Thank you so much, Venom Pogi. Guys, thank you guys. Talaga na-appreciate ko kayong lahat. Like legit. Thank you so much po. Wala pang 6K guys. 5 ano pa lang. Wala, thank you Jason. Thank you guys. Thank you po. Konti na lang. Kagabi din may kasama akong nag-countdown nung 5K. Wala, thank you Vini. Thank you so much Vini. Kinikilig ako sa inyo guys. Thank you Vini. Thank you so much. Guys, kinikilig naman ako sa inyo. Kayong ganyan please. Makakilig naman. Thank you Vini. Hala, thank you so much, Vini. Grabe, kinikilig ako. Thank you, Vini. Hala. Thank you, Vini. Thank you so much. Hala, thank you, Venom Pogi. Hala, nag-away na sila ni Vini. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you, Vini. Oh my God. Thank you, Vini. Thank you, guys. Thank you po. Thank you so much, Vini. Thank you, guys. As in, legit. Ala, ayan na si Vini. Thank you, guys. Kota na. Legit, guys. Pero hindi ko, iipunin ko kasi ang beans ko, guys. Hindi ko pa siya i-withdraw. Ala, Vini, thank you so much, Vini. I will follow you, Vini. I will follow Vini, guys. Thank you so much, Vini. You have a very good heart. Ala, thank you, Vini. Thank you so much, guys. Legit, thank you. Grabe. Kaka-overwhelm talaga kayo, ah. Oh, thank you, Vini. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Hi, Molly. Si Molly, guys, viewer ko din yan. Ala, thank you. Thank you, Venom Pogi. Sanda. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Kinikilig ako. Kinikilig ako legit. Thank you, guys. Follow mo din ako, uy. Ay, hindi pa. Ay, sorry, this one, hindi. Yan, na-follow na this one. Sorry, guys, ah. Hindi ko kasi napapansin. Thank you, Vini. Thank you so much, Vini. Ala, ala, may matay na ako. Thank you so much, Vini. Guys, nakakatuwa naman kayo. Thank you so much, Vini, ah. I really appreciate that, okay? I'm so overwhelmed right now. You are so generous. You have a very good heart. What is your nationality, Vini? Do you understand me speaking English? Thank you, guys, ah. Thank you so much, Vini. Send ko mga SS sa'yo. Sige, Jason. Grabe, ah. Guys, manood kayo ulit mamaya yung live ko. Worth it yung, sore throat ko. Ala, thank you, guys. Thank you so much for Vini. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Grabe kayo, ah. Ala, si Vini, kasi ayaw magpa-awat ni Vini. Ipapa 7K nyo pa ata ako, ah. Nagmerienda ka na po, be? Hindi pa po. Mamaya pa po. Thank you so much, Vini. What is your nationality? Can I know your nationality, Vini? Okay, be. Yes po, guys. Mamaya pa po. Hindi po ako magme-merienda. Dinner na. Dinner na, guys. Dinner na. Guys, thank you so much, Vini, ah. I really appreciate you. Mamaya na ba? Yes po. Mamaya po ako kakain, guys. Sakit ng throat ko. Do have PK? Wala, guys. Gusto mo PK tayo? Guys, ano ba? Yung official PK ba? Or yung PK like dito? Yung PK lang na to. What happened your throat? Is, I think I'm having a tonsillitis right now. Thank you so much, Venom Pogi. Thank you, guys. Niyak ako, ah. Ang bait-bait nyo sa akin. Like, legit. Ang bait-bait nyo sa akin, guys. May pang-affiliation na pang-t-shirt. Not now. Don't drink cold water. Yes, I'm not drinking cold water, guys. At ipa-follow back mo ako. Sige po, na-follow back ko na si Beku eh. Nasa comment na kayo guys kung gusto niyo magpa-follow back. Hindi tayo madamot sa follow back. Okay? Your throat is injured. Yeah, my throat is, I'm having a tonsillitis right now, guys. Hi, Pacman. Hello. Hi, sad to say. What is your nationality, sad to say? Hello, guys. Thank you, Jason. Thank you so much, Jason. And kay Venom. Grabe si Venom, guys. Si Venom Pogi. Grabe. Ang yaman ni Venom Pogi, guys. Grabe kayo. Worth it yung sakit ng tonsillitis ko. Actually, guys, meron akong tonsillitis and kagabi. And kagabi, guys,